Alright guys, so welcome back again. Today is day 16 of 100 days of cloud AWS. So we complete from day 1 to day 15. So now is the day 16. So the lab title is create IAM user. IAM long form is identity and access management user, right? So if we get ready, let me try it. My personal opinion is not trying to memorize the command lines that we use to be executed on the AWS client terminal. I never try to memorize, because we can always um, seek in the Google, we can find in Google, or we can ask the AI anyway. So if you don't get totally understood what does it mean by that, so deep you can deep dive into clarification, something like that. You can do that way. So here the instruction is when establishing infrastructure on the AWS cloud, identity and access management IAM is among the first and most critical service to configure. So that means it's kind of a part of our crucial stuff. So IMA facilitates the creation and management of users' accounts, groups, and rules, policies, and other access controls. That sounds great. So the Tellius DevOps team is currently in the process of configuring these resources and has outlined the following requirements. So based on the following requirements, we have to create an IAM user. So username is IAM user underscore mark Miyaki mark. So alright, so we're trying to create the IAM user. You can use this console URL. You can go to AWS console page using this username and password here and here, and trying to sign in. So you can click the IAM, and then you can create a new account. Here you can create a new user, and you can give a username. Here username is this here, and you can give this and provide. You can select this one if you want to give the custom password. If you don't want to add the custom password, you don't need to check that, and then you can click next, and you can click the add user to group or some permissions, attach policy, and you click next, and finally you can create user. But I don't want to use this UI interface. Sorry, yeah, user interface. I would like to create on the AWS client and terminal. So let me find command line how to create a new IAM user of AWS from the CentOS terminal. Sorry. Alright, so we will find like that. So here, so that's so easy PC. So create the IAM user. So we will execute this command line to establish new identity. So I will run this command here. So username is, remember this here, it is already given in the description, in the instruction. So I will add that. So I will run this. So we successfully created. So this is created date. This is ARM. I'm a user mark. This is user ID. This is user name. This is a path name. Alright, so this is optional. add user to a group. This is best practice to manage permissions via a group and add a new user to an existing group. So, but for this left, it's not clearly mentioned about that to add a user to the group. So we don't need to do this. And how to check? Let me find how to see IAM user list of AWS from the CentOS tab. Let me check the IAM user list. So IAM user list. What? So we can run this. So here IAM list user and output table. Here you will see that here is the password last used. This is the password we used for the last time. So here the IAM username is here. This is the for user. We already seen that here before we creating that. Here you can see that. Here, so this is the fourth user. We don't need to delete this. All right. So all right, we successfully created IAM user. Username is this. So let me check it out. Confirm. Yeah. So that's it. So easy. So I will start here and click yes. No issue faced. Submit. All right. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.